So in this iMovie tutorial video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to add text to a video here in iMovie. So as you can tell in my project right now, it's actually just a purple background, no text whatsoever. So it's pretty simple. If you wanted to add some text to your background, what you have to do is first off press on the clip that you wish to add text to. So I'm going to go ahead and press on the only clip I have right here. Then at the bottom bar, we currently have the scissor icon selected. We don't want that at all. We want to go ahead and press on the T or the text icon, sort of in the bottom right area. Press on the text icon. Now what you can do is add none text. You can slide, split, chronicle, standard, whatever the case may be. So if you just wanted to add some standard text right here, we'll go ahead and press on where it says standard. And there you go. We've now added some text to our document. So if you wanted to edit it, go to the top bar and then press on the screen. You can press on edit and then edit the text to whatever you may wish. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add some text to a video here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.